Are we only half alive? Embers drifting in the night, looking, wandering all the time. We seek a kingdom. This is not my home. This skin and bone. The daylight will reconcile the dead and the gone. Let the kingdom come. Long have we been on the road, but we don't face these hills alone. Rising from these broken stones, we see the kingdom. Oh, this is not my home. This skin and bone. The daylight will reconcile the dead and the gone. Let the kingdom come. I can see it on your face. Brother, you've been bearing the weight. Sister, you are more than they say. There are whispers.
Oh, something there. We found a lot of animals, by the way. We have another one here, so we're gonna get a little bit lower because it is bedded under a bunch of stuff. It's about the right size.
That's the right color. Show me out. I'll go.
All right, well, give me a second. No.
Go.
What I'd like to
Target, Rob.
Right, what I would like to do is be able to determine, is that a deer or is that her? So that could be, I'll tell you what, that could be Luna, but give me a second. And I just ask one thing, if it is her, we make a plan. Plus I gotta give you a radio and everything. So this is where I need everybody's eyeballs. Oh, it's an animal. It's just, what are we looking at?
Oh, I see. Yeah.
It could easily be a deer. What on earth is?
That's a dog.
That's her face.
That's a dog.
That's her face. That's her nose. That's her.
That's her.
Yeah.
That's
Are we sure?
sure, it kind of had a small snout.
No, there's a stripe on the forehead.
Give it. Okay, hold on.
That's her. No, that's a face.
Let me.
You get the blue eyes. That would be more just like
Right.
that.
Give me just a little bit longer. I'm gonna come down a little farther. Okay. So what we want to do is there's a technique, by the way. It's called calming signals. And I will coach you guys through that. Don't worry. But
There's the blood. That's her. That's the pro left.
What?
Yeah, that red to the left of your crosshatch. That's the pro left.
Yep, that's her.
That's her.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, that's her.
So what's the plan, sir?
Just, Nikki, I want you to sit. I want you guys to stand by, and Nikki, I want you to start doing the stuff we were talking about. Give me a second. I want to try to hopefully salvage this so she doesn't run off.
Copy.
man, she's going fast. Yeah, can we stop the traffic? Guys, she wants to surrender. Nikki, start doing your thing. Just a couple of deer and that buck. Yeah, there's the buck. Say, get that picture.
God, look at it.
What's that? Is that a deer or is that her?
It's darker than the deer.
I think that's her. Okay, hold on. Let me get a little closer.
It's right where she's been.
No, it really was.
You're right.
She's right in that area.
So you know what that means? That's her bedding spot.
So we need to stay at.
And we could go through the field. Guys, I'm going to get another angle here. Give me a second.
I'm not pressing it. I'm going to tell you.
Well, no. I just mean, like, I want to be sure. I don't want to be dumb.
No, that's her. That's her.
All right, get Evan. Please.
Evan, do you copy?
Just turn your... Or step away or something.
We found her on the drone.
Just tell them to come here.
Can you guys come back?
Yep.
Hey, hold on. That's her.
That's her. Okay. She's sitting.
All right.
She's looking around.
Hey guys, she's moved closer to you. Wow, I had thought she had run away there for a second. She has absolutely come closer to you. So listen, this is the best news. I've seen this behavior so many times, and this is incredible. So she has actually moved to the edge, just beyond the edge of the little stream. So yeah. So if you see where the drone is, I'm not directly above her, but if you move in the direction of the drone, she will be directly between us, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh, I think we're gonna get her today because she's now moved closer to them. This is incredible.
Sister, you are more than they say. There are whispers of
Just remember, whatever you do, don't get up. Don't chase her. She's coming to you guys. This is amazing. She's going a little bit to your right, but she's circling around to you.
reckoning day. This is not my home.
Hey man, is she in the trap? Or she's at the trap?
These aching bones.
So just so you know, she's right next to where the trap is currently.
I see her.
That was so cool.
All right, just stand by, okay?
We're behind.
So Evan and Morgan, I want you guys to start moving slowly back to where you know the trap is. So you stand up and just very slowly work that way.
If she comes this way, what should we do?
Sophie, you're in the car, right?
We're behind the car.
I want you to both sit down, and only if she was to come right up to you. But other than that, I really don't want you to do anything, okay?
We already sat down.
Is she in the trap? Hold on.
She's literally at the trap looking to get into it. For the food. Oh.
Guys, she's going in the trap right now. Stand by. Stand by. She's in the trap, but it's not shut. Give me a second.
Oh, because her leg is on the door.
All right, so her entire body is in the trap. She's eating the food. The door has not sprung. If it springs, I'm going to tell you so you can run up to the trap and get her, because it may not be fully closed. But just stand by, and Evan and Morgan, you can still be slowly walking your way towards her, but stay quiet. This is wild. I mean, she's just chowing down.
Chowing down, I know.
I've never seen this.
So you need to be able to fire a projectile.
I wish I could, remotely trigger the thing.
You're right. Oh, come on, baby girl.
All right, she's backing out of the trap. She hears you. It did not trigger. So Evan, you can't see it, but she's right behind the shed that's next to the trap.
Oh, she's coming along.
I don't mind at all.
Oh, I see him sitting down with the cars.
Yep. Okay, she's going towards your vehicle where you guys are, Sophie. Hold on. Nikki, if you want to try to call her very gently. I've got a few more minutes of battery here.
Slow down.
Yeah. Yeah.
As soon as you say her name, she took off. She's headed back towards... Did you say you got her?
I didn't say I got her. Okay, I didn't say I had her. I said I have to bring the drone back, and we need to adjust the trap.
You heard Evan say we got her. We got her. We got her.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Wow. Check it out.
Oh my God.
Wandering all the time. We
They got her.
And all these people that say you have to wait for a trap. Yes, traps are great, but
this skin and bone.
it's just the best.
Come over to Evan.
I don't know which one she came over to because I had to bring the drone back.
Shit.
I bet it was Evan.
Back.
I bet she looped.
Yeah.
Because I think she was like when. Yeah.
Yeah, don't let her go.
I've got like 3 leashes on her.
Right up.
That's funny.
Better get in the back with her. Hold those leashes.
Well, it's worth getting my truck stuff over. So hey. All right, so we're de-burdoxing Sophie. It's all right. It's a good look. It's a good look. We've got Team Luna. Traeger just landed. My truck's all beat up, but it was well worth it. This is the team. Can we meet the VIP without letting her through a door? All right. No. Hey, sweetheart. Oh.
Hi, sweetheart.
You are such a sweetie. We have been chasing you.
What? I had a really good time.
We have been chasing you for days. We love you, and you know who else loves you? Thousands and thousands of other people that have been thinking about you. You are such a sweet dog. All right, Luna. Good work.
Some meat though.
I don't have a boat.
Well,
He's like, what? I didn't say that. No, I think Evan just said.
I just missed it too, but that's all right.
I really should have been here all fucking day, I guess.
Yeah.
Fucking A.
No, seriously.
I couldn't believe it.
So close.
All right, great work, everybody.
There are whispers of a river flowing in our veins. The hope of the after. Oh, a reckoning day. these aching bones.